How to make this simple yet sturdy workbench. Here are the materials I used and the 2 power tools needed. All products and tools shown will be linked in the description. ETB is about 1 to 3 hours. I started off with the legs, and using this V-square, I cut down 8 pieces to the same size. The reason I needed 8 is because they will be doubled up using 2.5-inch screws. I took 2 of those at a time and attached them at a 90-degree angle. Then I attached 2 of those together with a 36-inch piece, making sure to pay attention to the orientation of the legs, because that will be important later on in the build. Once one side was attached, I turned it over and attached the other side. And with that, I was halfway done with the bench, so I snapped together the other half and rotated the legs on their side, because the next step is to attach the stretchers that will be connecting the two. To strengthen the weakest link in the bench, I used glue in these connections on all 4 sides. And of course, plenty of screws. Oh! My ball! After turning the frame upside down, I grabbed the heavy-duty casters and mounted them into place. Again, I will leave a link to where I got this in the description. With the frame right side up, I attached the center support to strengthen the top. I made an overhang using an offcut and screwed down one corner. You'll see why this is important in a second. After lining up the other side, I cut the excess plywood off. And here's why that overhang exists, so that there's an area for clamps.